Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Today is what I would call a confirmation day, meaning that nothing really new happened relative to the areas that we've talked about in the past. However, I mean confirmation of a couple of these areas because both levels came into play and then behaved just like you would expect them to behave. So the first bit of confirmation we got was this morning. Price made a big move up and then rolled back over, and then look right where it bounced. Surprise, surprise, right at that green line, which I've talked about in past videos, which I've talked about as being that main level of support. So going into the day, it was one of those situations where it's like, okay, there should be some buyers down there. I would expect there to be some buyers, and sure enough, price came down to that right around, that $7.70 mark, give or take a little bit, and held. And not only did the price hold, actually got a nice bounce, which carries us into the next bit of confirmation. So the price down at that support bounced the price all the way up, and then you notice where the price stopped going up. Well, right there at that red line, which is, again, will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched previous videos, but I've talked about that as an area of resistance up around that $8 mark. So $8 has definitely been confirmed as that area of resistance. So from an overarching standpoint, I mean, nothing really happened. Now, of course, yes, a lot happened today. The price went down, came up, went down, came back up. But just from an overall setting, I mean, the price still stuck between these two lines, which I've talked about before. Although as of now, the price is well within striking distance of that top part of the sideways channel. So while nothing's guaranteed, it is a more than valid question to be wondering and throwing out there, hey, is there going to be some sort of breakout? Is there going to be finally some sort of break above $8 where the price can break above it and stay above it? No guarantees, but like I said, it is a more than valid and rational thought to have. So moving into Friday, it'll be very interesting to see if the price can indeed finally get back above that $8 mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.